Hey guys, welcome back to Upclick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discuss with you Pluxy Epil Pro 3.0 preview. So I might be wondering, what is the Pluxy Epil Pro 3.0 here? Well, the Pluxy Epil Pro 3.0 is a rechargeable at-home epilator designed to remove facial and body hair from the root. Now, using mechanical rotating disc around like 17mm, and that acts like a small tweezer as they spin. Now, it's built with a silver ion antimicrobial coating on the disc, intended to protect against bacteria during use. Now, and works on both wet and dry skin, so it can be used in or out of the shower. Now, depending on the version that you are going to buy, it comes as a 7-in-1 kit with interchangeable heads. Now, the epilator head for legs, arms, underarms, and bikini line, a shaver head, a trimmer head for longer hairs before epilating, and a facial epilator here, or epilator head for the upper lip, chin, and cheeks, a nose or ear trimmer head, and a facial cleaning brush head, and a massage or exfoliation head depending on the bundle. Now, how do you exactly start using this? Well, in this case, first is you need to attach the head appropriate for the area you're treating. Now, then pull the skin taut with your free hand and glide the device slowly over the area, moving against the direction of hair growth. Now, session length varies by area, so from a few seconds to a few minutes. Results are described as lasting up to like 4 weeks, with regrowth becoming finer and less noticeable with repeated use over time. Now, as for maintenance, is according to them, after each use, turn the device off, detach the head, and use the included cleaning brush to remove trapped hairs. Now, the gutter heads are listed as IPX5 waterproof and can be rinsed under running water, though the main device body here shouldn't be submerged, so in this case, you let the head air dry fully before reattaching or storing. Now, the manual advises against use on irritated or sunburned or broken skin, and recommended consulting a doctor first if you have skin conditions, diabetes, or poor circulation. Now, on the pricing side here, well, the standalone Epil Pro 3.0 is commonly listed with ongoing promotional discounts around like 34 to 40% off depending on the season, and bundle options are available, for example, paired with the essential kits of additional heads for like $99, or multi-unit or gift bundles at higher discounts. Now, typically if you try visiting their website, typically the pricing for it is going to be around $59.95. The original pricing for it is around $119. Now, in this case, purchases come with a 90-day money-back guarantee as well, but that's about it. So, for this video, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.